Hello friends, we are back with chemical classification of matter. Chemically, the matter is classified into two parts, pure substance and impure substance. Again, pure substance is classified into elements and compound. Again, element is classified into metals, non-metals and metalloid, and impure substance are also known as mixture. They are classified into two parts, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Pure substance. Pure substance are those substances which cannot be broken down into atoms or molecule. They cannot be separated into two constituent by physical separation method. Pure substance are classified into two parts, elements and compound. So now what is element? Element are generally those substances which cannot be broken down by chemical means or constituents. Some of the example of elements are hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon. Elements are again classified into three parts, metals, non-metals and metalloids. Metals are generally good conductors of heat and electricity. Metal generally exists in solid state. Exception is mercury. Conductivity of metal decreases with increase in temperature. Metals are generally 90 in number in periodic table. These are some of the examples like copper, aluminum and gold. So now what is non-metal? Non-metals generally have properties opposite to that of metal. They exist in all the three states like gas, liquid and solid. They does not have luster. Luster means shine like diamond. Exception is iodine. They are generally poor conductor of electricity. There is an exception, it is graphite. These are some of the examples of non-metal like carbon, sulfur, phosphorus. Metalloid. Metalloid are the substance which have common properties of both metals and non-metals. Some of the examples of metalloid are arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Compound. Compound are the chemical substance which are made up of two or more atoms. This is an example which is being shown in the figure. Water, H2O, which is made up of two hydrogen molecules and one oxygen molecule. There are some more examples like nitrogen and carbon dioxide. In carbon dioxide is made up of one carbon atom and two oxygen atom. Impure substance or mixture. A mixture is a material which is made up of two or more different substances which are physically combined. It can be separated by physical process. We will talk about all the separation process in detail in the next lecture. Mixture are classified into two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous substance. A mixture is said to be homogeneous if it has uniform composition throughout and there is no visible boundary of separation. Some of the example of homogeneous substance are salt dissolved in water, sugar dissolved in water and benzene dissolved in toluene. These are also some of the example of homogeneous substance which is being shown in the figure. Coffee, chocolate and orange juice. Heterogeneous substance. A mixture is said to be heterogeneous if it does not have uniform composition throughout and there is visible boundary of separation between various constituents. Some of the examples are sulfur mixed in sand, iron fillings mixed in sand. So with this we end our chemical classification of matter. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe our channel so that we can make new videos. Thank you friends.